Ever?
No.
Man, I love cartoons. We should watch the old shit. What I watch?
I watched Recess, no stressing that the kids next door always playing messing with each other in the back tree house, chilling and possibly fighting evil, jerking off to Kim and having fun again with my cartoon friends. No classmates anyway, to hell with them, cause I was hanging with who I thought was cool. All the Ed, wait, who was who? And up to Scooby-Doo and following Blue's Clues, looking at Cosmos, breaking all the rules like, hey Arnold. Yeah, that's my shit. Getting home, Cartoon Network on the binge. Silly, yeah, I guess so. Maybe when I was a kid, the only thing I had to care about was Billy hitting Grimmer when Mandy was hitting him, and then all of them being friends. Johnny Bravo on the clock, fucking with the bitch Dexter in the lab. Learn from that shit, concern for the rats and the brain up in this. Trying to take over the world, wasn't the world for a kid? No concept, yet of a conflict, trend of a conscience. Banging on your office is no problems, cause it was honest and was awesome. No mortgage bills or in debt or being upset. Life's just easy, laying back, feet up by your big screen. No tights, just tied to what we see. The life inside of the TV, we be screaming. Spongebob, Johnny Bravo kicking by the beach bar. DJ making me feel like a big star. Parents saying television does harm. I said so wrong. Danny Phantom showing how to be strong. Courage making fears up on my mind gone. Parents saying television does harm. I said, where's the heart? Oh, where's the heart? Oh, where's the heart? Oh, where's the harm? Yeah, where's the harm in teaching girls to be strong? Powerpuff chicks kicking ass to a sweet song. No fucks for what thought given, no thongs to see. James Bond shit like spies, totally the strongest rockets, more powerful than Hercules. Shows I would watch, gotta read a part of me. It meant the world to see, staring at a screen. Land for the times I make tunes in the loonies, and I learn being different. Doesn't mean that I am distant, doesn't mean that I'm a weird kid. Ask Miss Frizzle to be cool's to be different. Gives tools for beginners, makes school when you win it a little less shit a minute. And I bet that you be feeling it, cause seeing all those bullies getting pummeled by people who were all tiny as shit. Fucking puny bent kids kicking ass at 10 like brain blast. Fuck, maybe I'll be up for this, what? Cause now we turning forward all the clocks, and we learn from all we watched. Cause now we ain't rugrats, man, we all grown up, but we still screaming. Spongebob, Johnny Bravo kicking by the beach bar. DJ making me feel like a big star. Parents saying television does harm. I said so wrong. Danny Phantom showing how to be strong. Courage making fears up on my mind gone. Parents saying television does harm. I said Spongebob,
Y'all remember that shit?
Johnny Bravo kicking by the beach bar. DJ making me feel like a big star. Parents saying television does harm.
Can you guys count all the references I've made in this song? I mean, like all of them.
My mind God. Parents saying television does harm. Oh, where's the heart?
I don't know if I'm flying, could be falling, crawling, lying. I won't leave you. Can't see where I'm going, never knowing. I leave again. And when I say I'm happy, I'll pretend that the way I sing can make me born again. And I just keep my eyes shut as it ends.